All right, here we go. Let's go. We're gonna release these birds right quick. I have approximately 30 white birds in my backyard back here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Really nice day. It's approximately 8:30 in the morning. And we're gonna do a quick release. Come on, let's go. Let's release these birds. Let's let them out. Let's let them out. Okay. Y'all want to go outside? It's gonna be a nice day out there today. I have two babies. Two of my little babies are right there. My other birds are here. Y'all want to go out? Come on, let's go outside. It's gonna be a nice day outside. Everybody's going out. Come on, y'all, let's go out. Everybody's going out. Everybody's going out. Come on, let's go out. Everybody's going out. Nice day. Beautiful day for a fly. Okay? Now they're up there. They're up in the air, which is a good thing. And they, as we say, birds of a feather, they flock together. And that's where they are. They'll do a couple circles. They'll circle around a few times, maybe 5, 10 times. And then they'll come on back in the house, get themselves something to eat, and they'll be happy. And that's how easy it is to deal with these beautiful white birds. I love them. And they love me. So here we go.